Welcome to the Mix Lovelies and Friends, and on the mix we have Dwayne. Now, Dwayne is playing a tape of Marcia, and in this message to us, it says, "Naked you come and naked you go." Now, Marcia was explaining something. She was saying that basically, when we come on this earth, you know, through birth, we came naked, and when we go back to the grave, then we'll be going naked. Well, in a sense, we may not see where we're going naked because you see us, you see the dead in a suit of clothes. It may be a dress, it may be a pantsuit, a suit. But we can't take anything with us once we leave this earth. You know, you may be dressed in some sort of clothes, but you're taking nothing with you, which is the truth. And, you know, Dwayne explains this as well. Now, it's something for us to take a look on and see how we see that, you know, think about it. But in this video, though, apart from that, we hear Marcia speaking about people who is, on social media getting money on an everyday basis. They come out and, they ask for money. And she's saying that she's able to ask for money as well, just like everybody else. She has the right to do so as well. And it shouldn't be that one person or others are able to ask for money and she's not. She's saying basically this is the first time really she's doing this for herself. And it's a case where her friend died and it was a sudden death. And therefore, she was in, you know, she's not able to really fully come up with all the finances to do that right now. She was saying that if it was the end of the month, then she would have been fine. But right now is a sticky time. As you know, it's Sunday, and she would have traveled today to go to Aruba because the funeral is coming up very soon. She still needs help with this, and she's speaking about that. So go hear what Dwayne has to say. As he said, he will not be taking sides, but he will be listening. And from now on, he'll be listening to, everybody speak and be neutral. As you all know as well, I'm a neutral person, and that's just my take. I listen to everybody's side as well. And, you know, because you never know anything 100%. So you have to take your own stand against it. So if you want to be on another side, one person's side and another side, then that's up to you. We are all able to choose what we do. And there goes free will. Okay. And just listen to what Dwayne has to say, guys. And remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And as always, lovelies, have yourselves a wonderful day. And for all the lovelies out there that is listening to the sound of my voice, if you do have a birthday today, you're celebrating your birthday, a happy birthday to you. And may you have a wonderful and prosperous year. Have a great day.
You, right? And you must stop what you do on my page. I told myself I was going to block you, but I'm going to give you one more chance. You, Andrea Gray. I'm going to give you one more chance. It's either you fall in line or you just get off. And you can't be coming on my page and threatening people's lives. I will not tolerate that nonsense. Andrea Gray, that's for you. Threatening Tina Chin's life. It's not a good thing. You must stop.
Me, you see, from now on, I put a come bake. My talent is very important. Too much freeness I give out here. You see my quality
I'll
work
give
when I
her
give?
one more chance.
You see my chatting when I give? You see? Not even therapists can chat like me. Not even therapists. One I get a little grey in my head. Me grade very gracefully, I must say. I think me that great more than that. I think
I
there
have a
is more
grey hair
pussy for
stomach
me
here
front more
too.
than my head. Or me have to bake myself today Sunday. Me bake myself. If I get some big friend by you. When me come out here and ask for things, when they want beg, then come out here and look all kind of way. See them sympathy face, yeah? Them look to the left and look to the right.
I don't know why I'm laughing.
Some people are.
Oh God.
I'm telling you, then come and then give one little side look and look. I'm telling you. Come pay up on the taxes here.
I can't
Come pay up on the taxes.
That was funny. That was funny.
Come
That
pay
was
up on the
funny.
taxes.
You have to admit, even if you don't like
Take a
her,
look
that
at
was
him.
funny. That was funny. That was funny.
I miss when you're having karaoke. You see what I talk about? Have you donated to me yet? To my trip? And you hear me talk about when me having karaoke. So you want me to come out, you want me to come sing a song. Oh. Well, if you want me to sing a song, I'll pay me fee. If you pay me fee. If you don't want to hear, LA's fine, sunshine.
It's look at it, says, plan come and oh my God. It's people, social media is not a real place. Stop taking this thing so hard. Don't take it to heart. I'm telling you, it will make you go crazy. Don't. Can I please get some likes, some shares, and some stars, please? I would appreciate it if you can. If you can't, it's fine. I'm not forcing anyone. I'm not. I'm really not. I'm asking. That's it.
And the feeling is like, New York City was. You see, there's something I miss. That alone, should I say, bless up to stay bless. Do you ever hear about a
Thank you,
powerful
Leonie.
dream of being a king?
Is it chatting's done now? Is it just singing we're going to?
No. When I daily basis, I try to make myself happy. Anything nobody do, me try to.
How long was this video? I feel like I'm done. I feel like I'm just done now.
And where is me? Let me go take my pills then.
I feel like I'm done now.
What? Cause it's a belly, it's a food.
I don't want to drag out the life too long.
Breakfast, I can't hold my bed. Can't hold.
I just don't want to drag it out too long.
This is what it is. That is what it is. Looking at myself. Look at it. Look at big people out there cussing.
Oh, it wasn't that long. It wasn't that long. Oh, Lord.
Oh, you're bad mind, you're grudgeful. She have more money than you. Have she ever come out here and show her bank account? Do you know that I know everything?
Oh, she's not done.
Just because it's somebody sit down with.
Let's hear this part. Let's hear this part.
She ever come out here and show her bank account? Have she ever come out here and show her bank account? This a flick of breakfast. I can't hold my bed. Do investment, you know.
She's chatting at this time. At least she's not being disrespectful.
So don't check the car. Somebody run go by one little vehicle. If no want anything.
What the hell?
Don't speak of look like to me. See? Have you donated me yet? And even though by myself in a extra so no.
I think I was here.
And who know they on social media? Who know little whole ram goat? Come put a little bit more star up here. If you can't get a donation, give a little star.
Oh, Lord.
Think about it. We come in this world naked, and we're going back with a little clothes for our body. That's it. Nothing. We come in this world naked.
That's a fair point. That's a fair point.
Naked.
That's a fair point. You know, I have a question. Do you guys ever think about death or dying? Do you guys know what she just said? It actually makes sense. We came in the world naked, right? Listen, just that one thing I'm take away from this conversation. We came in this world naked, right? And when we leave this world, we're gonna leave this world with just one outfit. Can you guys imagine? Death is so scary. It's very scary, actually. That's why I keep on telling people we should try to live good with each other and stop coming out here and be dragging people because without a valid reason per se, right? And I love Mixup. I do love Mixup. I do. You see, me to like. See, I keep on telling you guys, I'm not defending no one for a reason. I refuse to defend anyone. I'm gonna keep it neutral and on all sides. You see, if everyone of us was doing this, I promise you we would have been all better. However, people feels like defending a specific group or side, they are gonna automatically win. No, you are living in that side's shadow. Don't you guys see? I love to be upfront. I love to be like even when I'm on my friends' TikTok lives, right? I love to be the center of the attention. I'm a love girl myself. I can't live in people's shadows, hence why I refuse to defend anyone. Yes, sometimes I may speak on their behalf, but defending, because guess what? None of them is defending you or I. None of us. They're not defending. So why should we come out here as grown people and be defending fully grown people who can defend themselves? That don't make no sense. And I will not be a part of it. This person, Jesus Christ. Why that's you coming? Zero friends. Zero friends. It's alright. But people, all I would tell you guys, right, just try to be a good human being and treat people how you want to be treated. That's all I can tell people. It's up to you whether you take it or you don't. I don't really care. You know? I will say it, but it's up to you if you take it or not.
Naked. Naked.
Make what makes sense of the argument about us coming in the world naked and we're going to leave one with one suit in our backs. It's
We
true.
come in this world naked.
That's true.
And we are going back.
With one suit
Just
in our
like
backs.
body.
Just one suit. And then that suit's going to rot.
You see?
My God.
It's what it's about. Look into yourself. You know, going after other people's happiness and not making yourself happy. Me make myself happy now. I make myself happy.
Then if you say Curly's suffering, right? Would you say I'm suffering too? Because people love to throw out in the atmosphere that I'm bothered because I got blocked or she's no longer friends with me. Like, if you guys really know who I am, you know I'm not one of those people who is easily triggered or love to run into friendships. I don't. People run into me, yes, absolutely, but me run into them, no, I can't. And I'm telling you, I'm not jealous. I'm not jealous. I'm not mad. I'm doing my own thing, and that's what matters. Like, long as I get up every day and I'm happy, and I'm content to do my mix-up, whatever, that makes me happy. And long as I'm laughing, long as I'm smiling, long as I come in here and I skin up, I laugh with my big yellow teeth, that's what matters. You know what I'm saying? Like, so when people say these things about me, I'm like, are you serious? If only you knew who Dwayne Fletcher was, you wouldn't be uttering those things out of your mouth. You would not. You wouldn't. You really wouldn't. But who am I to tell anyone how to think or what to believe? That's on them, you know, and it is what it is. We're here to talk about Curly, not me. Let's talk about Curly.
As much as I can. That's why when I come out here, I make sure when I daily basis I try to make myself happy.
Thank you.
Anything about it, me try my customer.
I know.
Yes, my dear, my customer find out. And where is my? Let me take my pills then. Before God is a belly. I paid them for a vehicle. That's me. Most of those cars that you see driving around, they are leased vehicles. You see all them vehicles, you see the girls them and the man them a drive up and down them big vehicles and them big pretty car. And them X they are 3 years vehicle. In 3 years time, they have to return it and get another one. So don't let this.
It has been alleged that 99's X6 is a lease vehicle, allegedly is leased, which means lease vehicles contracts usually last for 3 years, and then you return it and get another one. Allegedly. Oh, gee, I cannot
Understand?
Hey, I cannot be bothered. Oh, God. I cannot be bothered. Whether it's leased or not, I don't care. I don't, because let's be real, I would never sit in any of the seats. I would never get driven from point A to point B. So whether it's leased or not, I don't really care, but it's the least part that's a little bit funny to me. It is.
So when you see girls pop up in a them car or some man pop up in a car,
Lord,
don't get too hype. Lease vehicle. 3 years.
I don't know.
And then paying mad money for live lifestyle. Well, I'm not telling the people.
Do they? I don't
A
know.
piece of whole vehicle. Take your same way. It takes sometimes even stronger than the new one. So let me give you a little something, ladies out there who starting out to drive. Don't put yourself in a situation. Save up on money. Is it someone who getting the taxes this year?
Can I get some more shares? Can I get some more
A
shares?
$5,000 car. Go in a one white neighborhood. Go out of state. Now buy it from nobody in an area. Close now in the same area. Go and Google some whole people. Get the car them from some whole white people. White people go to mall, restaurant and come back home. They not do no long distance, go out of state and drive up and down. They only go shopping to the nail salon, to the groceries and come back. Get your car, start it off with a used vehicle. If you don't have the money like that with a big job. If you had...
You know, can I tell you guys something? The first car I ever purchased, the very first car I ever purchased, I think I was like 16, 17. I bought a car for £100. £100. Back in those days, cars were like, there was some, well, the little bangers were very cheap. And you know, you need something to practice in, right? You need something to practice in. And I bought a car for £100. Oh, and my friend, when I went to work one day, I left the car with my friend, and he went on the Great Cambridge Road, and he crashed the car, left it on the road. Thankfully, the car was not registered in my name. It was just a practice jalopy. We call them jalopies here, jalopies. It was practice cars, right? To learn to drive. And that's how we learned to drive in cheap cars. Very, very cheap cars. It was funny. It was very funny.
Like a home care job and whatever. Pay, save up on partner money. And go buy yourself one car. Started off with a $6,000 or $5,000 car. Trust me, you can get car for that. Let somebody take it to a action. And as I said, the number one thing is go into a neighborhood, a white neighborhood, and drive around. Lots of car will have for sale car. Get it from...
They can't come for me because, darling, I these times where I used to work for a solicitor's firm, like a lawyer firm, and at the time I was training I was a trainee paralegal. I could tell how proud you. Yes, I was so proud. My first car, £100 I paid for. I swear to God. Yeah.